Life without water, how organisms could evolve on a dry planet. Imagine a world where rivers never flowed, oceans never formed, and rain never fell. A place where water, the foundation of life on Earth, simply does not exist. Could anything survive? At first, the answer seems obvious: no water, no life. But Earth's life forms are water-based only because that's what we had. If evolution took a different path, life might not need water at all. Let's explore how creatures could thrive without a single drop of liquid and how their biology might be so alien that we wouldn't even recognize it as life. 1. Could life exist without water? Life on Earth depends entirely on H2O, but some scientists argue that water is not the only possible solvent for life. Other chemicals like liquid methane, liquid ammonia, or even exotic oils might play the same role that water does for us. So what happens when there's no liquid at all? Dust-based biology. What if life formed from complex, self-replicating dust structures? On a desert world, minerals could bond in strange ways, forming crystal-based organisms that grow, reproduce, and even think through chemical interactions. Gas-supported life. Some alien organisms might absorb nutrients directly from the air, pulling energy from electrical storms, UV radiation, or even magnetic fields instead of relying on liquid-based metabolism. Hydrogen-sucking microbes. Some life forms might evolve to consume hydrogen gas from the atmosphere, creating a biosphere that thrives without a single drop of water. Could dust, gas, and minerals be enough to create a thriving ecosystem? Comment your wildest theories. 2. Life on a rock-dry desert planet. Let's imagine a superheated desert planet, a world hotter than the Sahara where oceans never formed. Winds carve the land into barren wastelands, and temperatures swing from searing heat during the day to sub-zero cold at night. What kind of life could survive here? Hibernating superorganisms. Instead of being active all the time, creatures could shut down during extreme conditions, becoming lifeless-looking shells until the right conditions return. Solar-powered life forms. Some desert creatures might not eat at all. Instead, they could photosynthesize using extreme sunlight, absorbing raw energy and converting it into growth. Silica-based skin. Instead of soft flesh, desert creatures might develop rock-hard silica shells, protecting them from both intense heat and cold nights. Would you survive a planet with no water, no shade, and no escape from the heat? Drop your thoughts below. 3. The shadow biosphere. Hidden life forms that don't need water. What if waterless life already exists on Earth and we just haven't found it yet? Some scientists believe in a shadow biosphere, a second form of life, totally different from ours, that coexists with us but remains invisible because it doesn't follow the same rules as carbon-based life. What could this hidden biology look like? Arsenic-based microbes. In 2010, NASA scientists discovered bacteria that use arsenic instead of phosphorus, proving that life can be radically different from what we expect. Dust-dwelling nanobes. Some researchers believe microscopic, non-water-based life forms might already exist in Earth's deserts, living inside grains of sand and absorbing energy from the sun. Plasma-based organisms. In extreme conditions, charged particles might form complex self-replicating structures, leading to a form of energy-based life that doesn't require any liquid at all. Could an entire biosphere exist around us undetected? Comment your wildest speculations. 4. The future of waterless worlds. Could humans adapt? If we ever settle on a dry exoplanet, we'll need to adapt, but could evolution do it for us? Artificial blood. Instead of needing water, future humans might develop synthetic blood that runs on exotic chemicals, allowing them to survive in completely dry environments. Cactus-like skin. Our bodies could evolve thick, water-retaining skin that prevents any moisture loss, turning humans into hyper-efficient desert dwellers. Internal water recycling. Future humans might develop biological water filters, recycling every drop of liquid inside their bodies so efficiently that they never need to drink. Would you live on a world with no oceans, no rivers, and no rain? Tell us in the comments. Final. The universe without water. Are we alone? Water-based life is all we know, but the universe is vast. If life can evolve without water, that means intelligent civilizations could exist in places we never expected. Imagine a world where cities are built from living crystal, where beings communicate through electric pulses instead of speech, and where entire species never drink, never sweat, and never cry. The real question isn't, is life possible without water? It's, what does it look like? So, let's hear from you. Do you believe life can exist without water? What's the strangest form of alien biology you can imagine? Could humanity itself evolve beyond needing water? Hit like if this blew your mind, comment with your craziest theories, and subscribe for more mind-bending science. This is not just speculation, this is the future of life in the universe.